Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making something absolutely perfect. It's vibrant, it's fresh, and it's incredibly delicious. This isn't just any pasta salad. It takes all the classic flavors of a caprese salad, juicy tomatoes. It has the ultimate upgrade and perfect for everything from a quick lunch to a summer barbecue side dish. Trust me, once you make this, it's going to be on your regular rotation. So, let's head to the kitchen and get started. First things first, let's gather our beautiful ingredients. It's a simple list, which is one of the things I love most about this recipe. You'll need 2 packages of your favorite cheese tortellini, that's about 18 ounces total. Next, we need about 12 ounces of cherry tomatoes, or a light and satisfying dinner. Then, for that creamy, dreamy texture, we have fresh mozzarella balls. If you can only find a larger ball, just chop it into bite-sized pieces. Of course, it wouldn't be caprese without a generous amount of fresh basil leaves. And to bring it all together, we'll use a quality Italian vinaigrette. You can use your favorite store-bought brand or even whip up a simple one at home. Finally, just a little salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. That's it. Simple, fresh, and ready to become something amazing. Alright, let's get cooking. Our first step is to cook the tortellini. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Once it's bubbling away, gently add your 2 packages of cheese tortellini. Give them a quick stir to make sure they don't stick together. Now, you'll want to cook them according to the package directions. It usually only takes a few minutes, so keep an eye on them. You want them to be tender but still have a slight bite, what we call al dente. Once they're perfectly cooked, you'll need to drain them well. Then, to stop the cooking process and cool them down quickly, rinse them under cold running water. This is a key step for any pasta salad to prevent the pasta from becoming mushy. After they're cool, you can set them aside in a large bowl while we prep the rest of our ingredients. Grab that large bowl with your cool tortellini. The first thing we're going to add is our dressing. Coating the pasta while it is on its own helps it absorb all that delicious flavor right from the start. It's a little trick that makes a big difference. Next, let's add our vibrant cherry tomatoes. Just scatter those halves all over the pasta. Then, add in the fresh mozzarella balls. Look at how incredible those colors are already. Now, take your fresh basil. You can tear the leaves with your hands for a more rustic look. Or if you prefer, you can stack them, roll them up, and thinly slice them. That's called a chiffonade. Now that all our main components are in the bowl, it's time to bring everything together. You want to make sure every single piece of tortellini, every tomato, and every ball of mozzarella gets coated in that lovely vinaigrette and flecked with basil. I like to add it gradually until it's perfectly coated to my liking. Season with a pinch of salt and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Give it one last gentle toss, and take a moment to admire your work. The combination of colors and textures is just stunning. It smells like summer in a bowl. For the best flavor, I highly recommend chilling the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This lets all those amazing flavors meld together perfectly. And there you have it. Our gorgeous Tortellini Caprese Salad is ready to be served. Look at this bowl of happiness. It's bursting with the fresh flavors of summer, and it's so satisfying. The soft, cheesy pasta, the burst of sweetness from the tomatoes, the creamy mozzarella, and that fresh kick from the basil is a perfect combination. This salad is so versatile. It's always a huge crowd pleaser. If you do make it, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more delicious and easy recipes. See you next time.